Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, welcome to our channel. In today's class, let us see industries of our Karnataka. This chapter I have divided into two parts. Now let us start our first part. We are all know that in our Karnataka abundant and varieties of industries are available here. The growth of industries plays an important role in the development of any state in the country. Our state has the great opportunity due to the presence of abundant mineral resources, raw material, ideal climate, sufficient water, good transportation system, skilled labor, wide market and modern technologies. Our Karnataka is famous for varieties of industries. Those industries range are from agricultural based small scale industries to the modern scale and large scale industries. Those are all available in our Karnataka. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya is a most famous name related to the industries. Contribution to the development of industries in our Karnataka is remarkable. The development into the motto industrialized or perished, he led to the foundation of many industries in our Karnataka. After the hydroelectric power generation state was started at Shivanasamudra in the year 1902. Many industries are producing essential goods and products for the daily life come into existence. The rice mill, tail factories, beedies and cigarette, iron and brass foundries, they were established in our state. After 1923, the many modern manufacturing units like iron and steel, soap factories, cotton and silk, mills, paper, cement, paint, sugar, sandal oil, industries are etc. are found and that they were started in pre-independent era itself. Mysore provinces was a model state with respect to industries. The main reason for this was the interest of British and Mysore kings took into this matter. This matter means development of industries. After the independence, we see that many industrial policies from the central government enable to further industrial development in our state. As a result, many more factories were established. For instance, the manufacturing of aeroplane, engineering, machine tools, HMT, BEL, BHEL. Now let us see what are those. HMT means Hindustan Machine Tools, BEL means Bharat Electronics Limited, BHEL means Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited. Now let us move on. Watches, iron and steel, aluminium, information technology, electronic biotechnology industries are those are developed in our Karnataka after the independence. Now let us see some important industries related to our Karnataka. Those are the iron and steel industry, cotton textile industry, sugar industry, paper industry, cement industry, information technology industry. In today's class, we are studying only three of those. Now let us start one by one. Iron and steel industry. Karnataka occupies the pride of the place by being the first state in our South India to establish an iron and steel factories here. Sir M. Vishveshwaraya is a foresight enable an iron and steel industries by set up at Bhadravati in Shumaga district in the year 1923. So that the rich and abundant iron ore disputes in the Baba Budangiri hills it could be utilized. This factory was named as a Mysore Iron and Steel Industries Limited (MSIL). Later, it was handed over the Steel Authority of India Limited (SAIL) in the year 1989. Today, it is known as the Vishveshwaraya Iron and Steel Industries (VISL). The iron ore necessary these factories are supplied from the Kamangunde lime from Bandigudda and water from the Bhadra river. Manganese from Sanduri. In the beginning, the firewood was used from the blast furnace. After the Shravati hydroelectric power generation station, it was established the hydroelectric power Hydroelectricity began to be used at the present. A special variety of steel and pig iron are produced here. Another important iron and steel industries of Karnataka is a private sector owner, the Jindal Vijayanagar Steel Limited. It was established in the year 2001 district using the latest Corex technology, and it produces iron and steel here. Now let us move on to our another industrial area, that is a cotton textile industries. Cotton textile industry is one of the modern industries which are established very early in our state. It is an agro-based industry. From the ancient times, we see that the weaving of clothes on hand loom was a practice in our Karnataka. It is practiced even now. Although those cloth is produced from the synthetic yarn and the foreign cotton textiles are available, the Indian cotton textiles has a great demand in the international market. The modern cotton mills was established towards the end of 19th century. Ginning and spinning mills were set up in the northern districts. The first MSK cotton mill was set up in the year 1884 at Kalaburgi. Later, the cotton textile factories were started in Hubli. After 1900, big cotton textile mills were established. Among them, the Bini mills and Minirava mills of Bengaluru and KR mills of Mysuru, cotton mills of Davangere, etc. They were established before the independence itself. After the independence, the cotton mills were set up in the northern Median where the cotton was widely grown. Davangere became the state's most important cotton textile industry center. It is called as a Manchester of Karnataka. There are a ginning and spinning mills in Hubli, Ilkal, Guledugudda, Rabakavi, Bagalkote, Molakalmuru, Nanjangoodu, Priyapatna and Chamarajnagar. At present, there are 44 cotton mills in our state. Approximately 1 million meters of the cotton cloth it is produced in our state annually. Some cotton mills they have been closed down more recently. The reason for this is a storage of cotton is absolute missions, lack of electricity supply, increasing production costs, stiff competition from the synthetic fiber clothes, etc. Those are all the challenges which are faced by the cotton mills. Now let us move on. In order to improve the situation in the textile industries in our Karnataka, the state government has formulated a program, Suvarna Textile Policy, in the year 2008 to 2013. It has established the finest goods park in 11 districts. The purpose of this program is to export the goods from those industries to the foreign countries. Karnataka ranks second in the country with regard to the export of textiles. Such parks are the Doddaballapura, Anekal, Belagavi, Mysore and Ramnagar. Those are all important information related to the cotton textile industries. Now let us move on our today's last industry, that is the sugar industry. The sugar industry is one of Karnataka's most important large scale industries. It is also an agro-based industry. All factories necessary for the development of these industries are favored in the state. Sugarcane production requires the humid climate, power supply, local market, transport system, etc. Those are all the necessary areas to producing the sugar. This industry plays an important role in the economic development. For the economic development of our Karnataka, Sir Francis Bacon mentioned in his writing that the early part of 19th century itself, the sugar was produced in the Palali Ashtagrama of Srirangapatna and Chikkaballapura recorded and shows that Those are the towns they were producing the sugar in the year 1847, and it has won the prize in London exhibition. The first modern sugar industries in Mysore Sugar Company. My Sugar. It was established at Mandia in the year 1933. Until 1951, that was the only factory in our state. Now there are 47 sugar factories in our state. There is total annual production of sugar is 339 lakh tons. The Karnataka stands third position in production of sugar in our country. Now let us see distribution of sugar industries. The distribution of sugar industries in our Karnataka, it is concentrated in the sugar growing areas, especially in the district of catchment area of the Kaveri, Krishna and Tungabhadra rivers. There are the more sugar factories in Belagavi and Bagalkote district. Mandya, Mysore, Bidar, Vijaypura, Kalaburgi, Ballari, Davangere districts are also. Bagasse and Bulasse are the byproduct of sugar industries. Bagasse is used for the manufacturing of paper and fuel. Molasses are used for the production of alcohol. Those are all about the sugar industries in our Karnataka. In today's session, we have studies about the iron and steel industry, cotton industry and sugar industry. Remaining industries are we have studies in our next session. Thank you for watching this.